First things first, do my bed. Check. Now I'm going to be doing or washing my teeth, of course. My face, I'm using this Fenty Cherry Gentle Cleanser. Love this stuff. As you guys can see, I'm almost done. And then right after I'm done washing my face, I like to do my morning skincare. I have everything up on my TikTok if you guys want to know. But I'm basically using Pharmacy, in Beauty, and Kiehl's moisturizer. So good. Alright, so I'm finished with my makeup. Now I'm going to change into my gym clothes, but if you guys want to see this makeup, I have it on my TikTok. So yeah, it's just very simple, very minimal. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and change my clothes. I'm gonna be on my way to the gym. Alright guys, so I'm ready to head over to the gym. I'm dressed, as you guys can see, and I have my gym bag. I also did just fill up my hydro jug, so we're good. But yeah, guys, I'll see you over there. I'm done, guys. Now it's time to go eat because I am starving. Alright, so now I'm going to be making my all-time favorite protein pancakes. These are just chef's kiss. I've learned this recipe from Liv Jordan on Instagram, and hands down the best protein pancakes I've ever tasted in my life. Trust me, I have tried so many recipes, but this one right here is just, oh, I love it. But it is cottage cheese, egg white, oats, and a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of baking powder. You mix that all up and then take it to your pan. I put a little bit of butter. It looks like a lot, but I don't know why. And that's it. Look how beautiful and just like, oh, I love it. I love these pancakes. I could eat it every day. I just really enjoy cooking, and this is so easy. But I am making a little bit of coffee, and this is how the pancakes turned out. Just like crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. I obviously add strawberries and blueberries for a little bit of sweetness. Alright guys, so I am editing my video right now. Guys, it got really cloudy out of nowhere, and I don't like these kind of days, honestly. I know a lot of people are a fan of like cloudy days, reminds them of Twilight. It's very nostalgic, very beautiful, but I don't. I personally don't. I feel like I feel sick. I feel kind of depressed, and I don't vibe with it, but currently I'm just editing my little video. Hopefully it'll go up like tonight or tomorrow. What I'm gonna do right now is kind of clean my makeup area and then maybe do some laundry. Take my makeup off, honestly, because I've been marinated in this. I'm not sure if I want to do like a morning routine separate or like spend the day with me, but I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop. I'm also editing some videos right here for TikTok. I see. But if you don't follow me on TikTok, well, what are you doing? I have a bunch of content here. Go follow me now. Thank you so much. So I did not record my workout. Well, I will not include it in my video this time, but let me know if you guys want to see like a tutorial, like a workout routine, I mean. But what I usually do is upload them here on IG. So if you guys want to see them, make sure you follow me and stay tuned. Okay, change of plans. I'm actually gonna do my nails because look at this nail here, broke off. All these are my natural nails, by the way. I have put on acrylic just to make them look stronger, but they're my real nails. So yeah, I'm gonna do them because this is unacceptable. Where are we going again? Yolanda?
Coffee class.
Oh, okay. Elizabeth, come and show your outfit, girl. So cute. I love your outfit today. And your makeup too. It looks really nice.
Thank you.
It feels so weird vlogging because I haven't vlogged in a long time. What's in Liz's bag?
A
Of
perfume.
course, perfume.
A touch lamp. It smells so good.
A watermelon.
And I don't even know how to pronounce it.
Joe Malone.
A glove mirror.
Oh yeah, I just used it. I didn't have one, so I was using hers.
My favorite lip
Oh,
gloss.
that one's good.
My
I like
favorite.
that one.
My second. So sketchy.
She's a Sephora kid, guys.
A drugstore elf.
Oh, we're matching. Look, I
Yummy.
have mine too. We're twins.
Next up, two products from Sheila. This
Oh,
one.
I loved those.
Yeah. It's hot cocoa. And this one's
It's called Sepia Kiss.
Sepia Kiss. And a lip liner from.
Those are colors.
Wait, is it definitely?
Truffle liner, yeah, but that's the brand. Those are colors.
The second thing I have is mini power 28.
You can never have too many lip products. Hi, Elizabeth.
Another milk blush
the
tint.
blush, yeah.
And that's all in my bag.
That's it.
I want to show your bag.
So what I have, obviously the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Balm. I have this Fleur Faute Rose perfume. It's right here. It's called Rose. I also have this lippy from YSL. They're called their YSL Love Shine Rouge. Pretty shade. And then for my lip liner, I have Kylie Cosmetics. This one is Cinnamon. Beauty blender, my keys, and that's it.
So I think I have more products than
You
her.
have a lot of lip products. I only have 2, not 3.
I have like a little teddy bear.
I love that one. So I got the brown butter cup latte. Yolanda did too. Mami, ¿cuál agarraste esto?
Yo agarré el tiramisú.
Tiramisu latte.
I'm just gonna see you guys.
Try it. Let's do a test. ¿Es rico?
It tastes like churros.
Maybe the sabor. No, I want my sugar face.
I'm gonna mix it because all the coffee's down here. Voy a poner ese.
Está rico.
¿Sí te gustó? Yeah, it's good. ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Como un scone?
De blueberry. Cuando le dices este grande como va.
Hermosa.
Your star.
Ajá. No tanto. Ya bajó un poquito.